Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Genesis. Thank you for tuning in once again. If you have not done so already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, like and comment. I'm gonna show you how to get bad to bougie, or something starts with a B, I can't remember what it was. But you're about to look bougie AF with this tutorial. So like my holy grail right now is Lancome. Ooh yeah. And I have dropped my baby like 3 times. I got this for my birthday. And so this is like a little ghetto, so please excuse this. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. I'm so mad. Oh, I'm so mad about this. Yeah, it's not my hair in my face. And the crazy thing is I've been using my hands lately. Like I really need to buy a beauty blender, and every time I buy one, my dog just eats it. So yeah. I already moisturized my face with virgin coconut oil, the base, and I'm literally, so I pat it in first. A little rough on my eyelid. My nose, and I just start circular motions. Oh god, I really have like no room. Oh, and if you're loving this outfit, it is Christian Dior vintage nightgown. I was like, what is it? What is it? Okay, I'm going with my Cover X illuminating setting spray. About to go ham. Now I have the concealer by Anastasia Beverly Hills, going in with my hand again. And this is like some heavy duty concealer, so you want to be careful with this. Oh god, am I being careful with this? Oh god, I'm like, what did I do? But I gotta get rid of that right there. Now I have my contour down here, so I'm about to go get that. Let me make sure. No. I usually have my big contour brush, but it's upstairs. I don't have time for that. I'm about to go out. So I'm trying to do low-key in a rush. And before I was using this old behind palette, I'm using eyeshadow to my under eye. Contour and this, what's it called? Dang it. Black Radiance contour palette in the powder, not the liquid. Now I'm going upstairs with my blush. And darken it down some. Get rid of that double chin. And spray my face. Okay everybody, so I hope y'all like this video. Oh my god, I definitely love this look so much. Not take that long, it just seemed like it took that long because I had to keep going upstairs to get stuff because I'm recording downstairs. Once I got this hair, there's a video on this coming soon or it's already out. So happy new year and stay blessed. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Ooh.